you thought about upskilling? It is the learning of new skills or developing existing ones to improve your skill set. Taking online courses, joining training sessions, watching tutorials, or simply learning by doing are perfect examples of upskilling. As a busy entrepreneur, you might think the time you spend on learning new skills is better spent working on your business. But think of it like this: any skill you learn and develop will also help your business. By expanding your skill set, you also expand your options, business ideas, and choice of strategies. It's the same for your team. Having your employees learn new skills will not only help them improve as core service providers, but it will improve them as individuals. Upskilling will encourage your team members to try new things, teach them to work outside the box, and keep them motivated.